Subukan nyo may malaglag na lata, isang puno at isang walang laman. Sino ang maingay? Yung walang laman. Kaya po pag may nag-away at pumupunta sa inyo yung isa, yung maingay, yung maraming salita, yung maraming demanda, kadalasan yan ng guilty. Bakit? Inuunahan na kayo para pag nabalitaan nyo sa iba, kampi na agad kayo sa kanya. We are talking about this, brothers and sisters, one and foremost because the influence of evil people affect our spirituality. They affect our attitudes. They affect our behavior. And we are bombarded by messages from so many people every day. That's why we should test not only the message, but also the messenger. Pagka merong dalawang nag-away na partido o hindi nagkasundo, ang igalang nyo yung tahimik. The words of godly people are polite, decent, and humble. Hindi mapagmataas.